Hey guys, so I recently got my hands on MSI's latest performance laptop and I've totally started loving this power machine. So let me talk about few of my favorite features of MSI's modern 15 A5M. Looks sleek, doesn't it? This new addition to MSI's collection of high capability devices is the ideal choice for the new generation as it offers the perfect mix of productivity and gaming performance. So I could open multiple applications at the same time, including some heavy graphics ones, and switch between them without worrying about the lag. Amazing, isn't it? The modern 15 A5M is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 U series processor that offers lightning fast responsiveness, which keeps you productive at all times. On the front, you get a well-sized 15.6-inch display and a thin bezel that looks great. It is available in a sophisticated carbon grey color. It's sturdy and weighs only 1.6 kgs. It's so easy to carry around in your backpack. For those working on the go, connectivity is an important factor. On this count too, the modern 15 fares pretty well, as it comes with 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port, a HDMI port, 1 micro SD card reader connectivity, and a DC in port 2, giving you the highest level of flexibility at work. In fact, the ergonomic keyboard is designed for quick typing, and the backlight on the keyboard allows me to efficiently work even in dim light conditions. This laptop's body is made from an 18.9mm aluminum chassis, lending it its portability. And much like the modern 14, this laptop too boasts of military-grade durability to make sure it lives up to its MSI promise. So, it is safe from those accidental falls from your hands or desk. The modern 15 A5M is designed for non-stop working with a long-lasting battery that offers high productivity with a fast charging function. So what I like is that I do not have to go around looking for a point to charge this laptop, and I've been using it all this while. And the battery on this laptop is around 10 hours, which I think is great for a laptop in this category. So after this hectic day, I wanted to listen to some good music, and I thought of trying out this new laptop, and I was totally impressed. The hi-res audio system plays from dual 2-watt speakers, bringing sounds to life and playing with utmost clarity. So for me, modern 15 comes with all the features of a high-end machine and without a hefty price tag, making it easy on the pocket. Its Intel and AMD variants are available in both 14 and 15 inches, and its sleek and lightweight design makes it appealing to the millennials, including the students and working professionals. For its great performance merged with stylish looks and practical features, which is ideal for the needs of the new generation.